The benefits of eating plant-based meals. Eating plant-based meals has become a popular choice for those looking to improve their health and make a positive environmental impact. Rich in fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes, plant-based diets offer numerous health benefits. Here are 10 key advantages of incorporating more plant-based foods into your daily meals. 1. Heart health. Plant-based meals help lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation, all contributing to a reduced risk of heart disease. 2. Weight loss. Low in calories but high in fiber, plant-based foods help keep you full longer, making it easier to manage or lose weight. 3. Better digestion. The fiber in plant-based foods promotes regular bowel movements, improving digestion and reducing the risk of constipation. 4. Lower diabetes risk. A plant-based diet helps stabilize blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. 5. Cancer prevention. Antioxidants and phytochemicals in plant-based foods help protect against certain cancers by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. 6. Reduced inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of plant-based foods help lower chronic inflammation, which is linked to various health issues. 7. Kidney protection. Plant-based meals are gentle on the kidneys, making them a great choice for those with kidney disease or those looking to protect their kidney health. 8. Healthier skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in plant-based foods promote healthy, glowing skin and protect against damage from UV rays. 9. Environmental impact. Plant-based meals have a smaller environmental footprint, requiring fewer resources and producing fewer emissions compared to animal-based foods. 10. Longer life. A plant-based diet is linked to increased longevity due to its role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. Incorporating plant-based meals into your diet offers a range of health benefits while supporting environmental sustainability. Start making healthier choices today for a better tomorrow. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.